At the heart of chemistry is the understanding of how small units of matter that we call particles interact with each other. And when we model small units of matter as a particle, we usually assign it a mass, sometimes a volume, and sometimes a charge. There are two main types of particle that chemists are interested in. Firstly is subatomic particles, and these are particles that are smaller than an atom. There are three main types of subatomic particle we're interested in. Protons, which have a symbol P+, neutrons, which might have a symbol N0, and electrons, which normally have the symbol E-. A fourth useful subatomic particle to know about is a photon, and in a few topics you'll come across photons as particles of electromagnetic radiation or light. The second type of particles we're interested in are actually formed from protons, neutrons and electrons, and they are atomic particles. And these are small units of matter on the scale of atoms. Again, there are three main types of atomic particles we're interested in. The first, of course, are atoms themselves. And the most simple way we can represent an atom is using its chemical symbol. There are the symbols for hydrogen and neon. When multiple atoms combine, we can form molecules. And again, there's many ways we can represent them, but most simply we might use the chemical formula. There are the chemical formulas for water and for glucose. And the final type of atomic particle that we come across frequently in the IB chemistry course is caused when atoms or molecules lose or gain electrons to form ions. And in the case of ions, because they have lost or gained electrons, we can often represent them using a chemical symbol and then a charge, a positive or negative charge. Here we have examples of a positive hydrogen ion and the oxide ion with two negative charges. The important thing to consider when you see representations of particles throughout the course is whether we are talking about subatomic particles or atomic particles. And this will help you consider the interactions between them. And that's it. Hopefully this video is of some help.